Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Akshi. Today we are building our first second mini project, a fun number guessing gamer. So this is one of the best beginner project because you will learn how to use the random module, user input, if else conditions, loops and simple Python logic. So by end of this video, you will have a full working game that you can even improve with your own ideas. So open your favorite code editor and let's build something amazing together. Before we start coding, let's see what we are going to build. Our program secretly generates a random number between 1 and 100. The player tries to guess that number. If the guess is too small, the program says too low, try again. If the guess is too large, it says too high, try again. So the game continues until the correct number is guessed. So we will also count how many attempts it took. Simple, fun, right? And perfect project for beginners. Now let's start building it step by step. Okay, the first thing we need is in Python's random module. The random module helps us to generate the random values. So we import it using import random. So now we can generate a random number like this. Like number is equal to random dot randint 1 comma 100. This means the Python chooses a number between 1 and 100 including both numbers. So every time we can run the program, the chosen number will be different. That's what makes the game exciting. Now that the computer has its secret number, so let's ask the user to guess it. Next, we need the player's guess. So we will use the Python's input function. That is, guess is equal to int of input, enter your guess. As you know that the input function always returns the text. That's why we wrap it inside a int to convert it into a number. So now whatever number the user enters is stored inside the variable called guess. We now have two values, the computer's secret number and the user guess. The next step is to compare them. Okay, now comes the main logic of our game. We will compare the user's guess with the second number. If the guess is smaller than the secret number, that is, if guess is smaller than the number, it will print too low, try again. If the guess is greater, like if guess is greater than the number, we will print it as too high, try again. Otherwise, the guess is correct. Then the else, we will print congratulations, your guess is right. This is a simple if, elif and else structure makes a program interactive. But right now the player only gets one chance. So let's fix that. Okay, instead of giving the player just one chance, we will use a while loop. While true. This loop keeps running forever. Inside the loop, we ask the user to guess again. If the answer is wrong, the game continues. If the answer is correct, we will simply write Python break. So the break, this statement immediately exits the loop. So the game keeps asking until the correct answer is found. So this makes our project much more enjoyable. So now let's run it. Everything is ready. Let's run our program. The computer secretly chooses a number. We enter our first guess. Maybe it's too high, maybe it's too low. So the game keeps giving it us hints. Finally, we guess the correct number. So congratulations, our number guessing game is working perfectly. So this project teaches several important Python concepts while also being fun to build. So awesome, you have successfully built your own Python number guessing game. So in this project, we have learned how to import the modules, generate random numbers, taking user input, using if-else conditions, create loops and build a real Python logic. If you have enjoyed this project, Please like this video, subscribe to Code with Akshi, and turn on the notification bell because many more Python mini projects are coming next. So in the next project, we will build something even more exciting. Thank you for watching, and as always, let's build something amazing together. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Happy coding.